IonQ stock is up 5.37% in this pre-market session of the 5th of April 2023. It is definitely trending on stocktwits and definitely one of the most active stocks in this pre-market session, but hasn't really gained a huge lot. We haven't really seen any fresh news concerning the stock, but as of Monday, the 3rd of April, the folks at Signal Alpha presented this piece written by Blake Downer. They're saying that its revenue grew by 130.9% from the fourth quarter of 2021 to fourth quarter of 2022. The last 4 quarters have seen gross margins rise from 70% to 76%. The company has ample cash on hand and relatively low burn rates. IonQ stock is still a buy. Okay, so the thesis is that the company just posted another quarter with improving financial statements. Made by the company during the most recent earnings calls indicate that they believe IonQ is likely to achieve positive net income before it runs out of cash on hand. After looking over their financials, the author also agrees with the assessment. Is maintaining a buy recommendation. Okay, company background: Ion is a pure play quantum computing company. In 2020, they announced the completion of a 32 qubit quantum computer. This attracted a wave of new invested money, and they began the construction of a quantum computing manufacturing facility in Bothell, Washington. The company generates revenue by selling remote access time on their hardware, and the author went into more detail in the long-term future about the stock down there. And yes, you can you see the link in the description box below for you to read up, understand what's going on with the stock. Okay, so the author indicated some risk here. The company, along with every other company in this sector, faces this prospect of quantum winter arriving before the technology reaches maturity. Currently, hype and hope are running high. Companies are eager to form research partners, and customers are eager to sign up for time on their hardware. This enthusiasm might wane before many practical applications come forth. If this happens before IonQ reaches net income positive, expect the valuation to plummet. IonQ might never manage to elevate their version of the technology ahead of their competitors in capability, and could also lose the long-term race to another version of quantum computing. What quantum computing will eventually become is still decades away and receives additional breakthroughs before the technology will become fully realized. Just because IonQ is successfully developing its technology right now does not guarantee its ability to continue to do so. Okay, so that's what's going on. The stock is, I think, rallying within a longer term. It's riding within a longer term bullish trend. Okay, it's 200-day moving average upward sloping. It's also outperforming the S&P 500. And right now on the 1-minute live chart, it is currently trading at $7.41. Upper projections on this 1-minute live chart is the topmost projection is at $7.53. That's on the 1-minute chart. So let's look at the 5-minute chart and see what the projections are. On the 5-minute chart, we have upper projections of just above where it is right now. We have 7.51 all the way towards 7.72 on its 5-minute chart. So let's see what's on the daily chart for IonQ. On the daily chart, we have upper projection towards $7.33, towards 9.19. This is what these are the projections on the daily chart. 9.19 is the topmost. The lowest is $2.53. Before that, we have 4.39. All of these are the daily charts. Next, before that one is 5.08. Just below where it is, we have a downward projection of 6.71. Okay, 6.71. The stock has been rallying. I think since it's been rallying since the 28th of December, since late December. So let's see IonQ short interest. Let's see what short interest is. Let's see whether it's still 14.35% or has changed since that time, since this was cashed. Okay, let's see. Okay, are we sure? Okay, let's we're not getting the same thing. Let's short squeeze.com. While we wait for that, we just see what's going on the 1 minute live charts for IonQ. Okay, it has it's declining as well, lost about 1% or thereabout, roughly. The internet is slow today, sorry about that. IonQ, let's find out what the short interest is. 13.96%. okay, so there's a relatively modest amount of skepticism towards the stock. There's a modest amount of skepticism towards it. So it's been rallying for some time now, and it's still holding up. Sometimes it pulls back. So we have seen that it has at least since late March, about a week ago, it's been showing a significant amount of strength. Yeah, so expect the stock to pull back and consolidate these gains it has run up. Expect it to do so. And if you're really keen on buying the stock, as always, always leave some funds on the sidelines to take advantage of any retracements to average down. So if you really think this, you're really positive about IonQ, by all means, get involved and see what you can make of it. And I think we have, like indicated earlier on, upper projections all the way towards $0.9, all the way towards $0.9. Let's see where we can also actually plot Fibonacci projections on this static chart here on Charles Schwab, and we can maybe able to determine a few prices ourselves. So if we take it from this peak of 11.36 as of sometime last year, 2022, okay, we might get something. Okay, let's even go even beyond that. Let's go all the way up towards this price of somewhere above $13 and pick it from there. Let's see. Okay, that's not a very good place to pick it up from. Let's try here. We're not getting anything. We need to see the figures, so we'll try again. Okay, it doesn't seem to be working very well. Okay, try something lower. Try from here. Try from here. Let's see. We want to see the Fibonacci prices. Okay, yes, much better. Bring it all the way down to here. Okay, let's leave it there. Okay, so we have upper projections of 7.28 So 8.24. So this is not as there's a slight difference between what is on the trading view concerning the upper projections. Slight difference. So in any case, upper projections of 8.24, even including $9 as well, towards 11.42. See what you make of IonQ stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.